Finding a niche on Etsy involves identifying a specific market segment or category that you can cater to with your products. Here are some steps to help you find a niche on Etsy. Step 1. Evaluate your interests and skills. Start by making a list of your hobbies, passions, and areas of expertise. Consider what you enjoy creating or have knowledge about. This will help you find a niche that aligns with your interests and allows you to leverage your skills. Step 2. Research popular categories. Browse through the different categories on Etsy to see what types of products are in demand. Look for categories that have a good number of sales and engagement. This research will give you an idea of what niches are already popular on the platform. Step 3. Identify gaps and underserved markets. While exploring the existing categories, pay attention to areas where there may be gaps or untapped markets. Look for specific themes, styles, or product variations that are not well represented. These gaps present opportunities for you to carve out a niche for yourself. Step 4. Define your target audience. Determine who your ideal customers will be. Consider factors like age, gender, interests, and preferences. Understanding your target audience will help you tailor your products and marketing efforts to attract and engage with them effectively. Step 5. Validate your niche. Before diving in, it's important to validate your chosen niche. Research the competition within that niche to gauge the level of saturation and demand. Look for successful shops within your niche and analyze their products, pricing, branding, and customer reviews. This will help you understand if there is enough room for your business to thrive. Step 6. Differentiate your products. Once you've chosen a niche, focus on differentiating your products. Find a unique selling proposition, USP, that sets your offerings apart from competitors. Consider factors like design, quality, customization options, or eco-friendliness. Offering something distinctive will help you attract customers who are specifically looking for that unique element. Step 7. Test and iterate. As you start selling your products in your chosen niche, monitor the response and feedback from customers. Be open to making adjustments and improvements based on customer preferences and market trends. Continuously adapting and refining your offerings will help you establish a strong presence within your niche. Remember, finding the right niche takes time and experimentation. It's important to be patient and persistent in your efforts. With thorough research, understanding your target audience, and offering unique products, you can find success on Etsy within a niche that resonates with you.